So this is a 2006 Honda Fit, and we're going to replace the taillight. Good news is on this car, it is a pretty simple rear trunk area. So there's a little cover here, and let's see if we can get these out without removing this panel. Looks like it's an 8mm. So here's the taillight. So we have 3 mounting bolts. So the upper one's going to present a little bit of a problem. Wiggle a ratchet in there and get it, but it's only like a couple different screws to get this panel pulled back. And I was back here doing some other stuff. So usually there's a bolt or something on the bumper, like going straight up, but this one's obviously been crashed and it should just pull out. It's one benefit of working on cheap cars. They're not assembled very tightly. So now we got this bumper. Loose. You can pull the bumper out. And oof. Tight. Okay, so there is a screw that comes in vertically, and that is a secret screw. So the new one, we'll be able to get the screw back in there, and we can see how crusty this car is down there. Here's the old one. But if you're dealing with the eBay one, a lot of times the plugs won't fit very good. So you'll have to like grind part of the plugs down, and it can be real hard to fit those cheap ones. I don't put the cheap ones on anymore, so. Okay, so we are looking for this little screw that I didn't know was there. So there's the screw. And you gotta unbolt this because it's too tight in there.